In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can get deleted pictures back on Android. If this helps you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to get your deleted pictures back on Android, the first thing that you can do, and there's mainly three things that you can try to do to get your pictures back. First of all, go into your gallery, and then you'll see a menu button at the bottom right hand corner. Tap onto menu, and then you'll be able to see recycle bin. Tap onto recycle bin, and here it's going to show you all your videos and your pictures that you have deleted. So for an example, if you tap onto a picture, you can see a button there that says restore. You can tap onto restore, and then when you go back out of the trash, you will see it appears here again. Okay, so that's the first thing that you can do. And then the second thing is you can search on your phone for My Files, and then you'll get the My Files app. And you will also get here, if you scroll down, it says recycle bin. You can tap on recycle bin, and it's going to show you all your deleted pictures and videos. And you can simply tap onto a picture, so you can simply long press onto it, and then you can hit the restore button. Okay, if you're not seeing your pictures and videos that you want to recover in your files or your gallery, what you can also do is open up Google Photos. So open up Google Photos, and if you have backup turned on, then you will be able to see it listed here, because when you take a new picture on your iPhone, when you take a new picture on your Android, it will automatically get backed up here, and then you'll see it in this list, and you can tap onto it and you can download it or whatever you want to do with it. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.